Good morning, students. Now discuss some more questions based on straight line. Now question number 4. Find a point on x-axis. On x-axis. आपको पॉइंट फाइंड करना है ऑन एक्स एक्सिस which is equidistant from 7,6 and other point is 3,4. That means first of all let P on x-axis means x comma 0. This point is A, this point is B. That means PA equals to PB. Applying distance formula, but before applying distance formula, squaring both sides. PB whole square. This is whole square. Okay, PA square is x minus 7 whole square plus 0 minus 6 whole square x minus 3 whole square 0 minus 4 whole square. This is written as x minus 7 square, x minus 3 square, 16 minus 36. Applying the formula of a square minus b square. एक बार दोनों को ऐड कर दीजिए, इसमें से इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए, minus 20. Therefore 2x minus 10 equals to 5. Value of x 15 upon 2. That means point P 15 upon 2 comma 0. This one is answer. Again check it. First of all add कर दीजिए this plus this 2x minus 10. इसमें इसको माइनस करिए, -4 -20 4 5 are 20 15 upon 2. Now next question is question number 5. Find the slope of line which passes through origin. आपको स्लोप निकालना है which passes through origin and the midpoint of the line segment. ये P and Q दो पॉइंट्स हैं, 0, -4 and 8, 0. इसका एक मिड पॉइंट है I. Find the slope of the line, slope of OR. O is the origin. First of all, calculate the value of R. Coordinate of R is midpoint 0 plus 8 upon 2 minus 4 plus 0 upon 2. R 4 comma minus 2. Slope of OR y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1 minus 1 upon 2 is the answer. Is it clear? Okay, next question number 6. Without using the Pythagoras, show that the points 4, 4 3, 5 and C -1, 1 are the vertices of right angle triangle. If use Pythagoras, that means simply use the distance formulas. Distance formula of AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. If you apply it, that means it is a right angle triangle. But without using Pythagoras, suppose this is triangle A, B and C. Simply find the slopes. Slope of AB. Slope of AB, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. 1 upon -1, that means -1. Slope of BC, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. -6 minus 4, 3 upon 2. Slope of AB, BC and AC. y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. This is 1. Check. Multiplication of slope, any two slope, result is -1. That means slope of AB multiply slope of AC. -1, 1, result is -1. Therefore, triangle ABC is right angle triangle at 90 degree at, this is AB and AC, that means angle A. Therefore, this is B, A and C. This angle is 90 degrees. Is it clear? Okay, now next question. Question number 8. Find the value of x if 3 points are collinear. X, -1, B, 2, 1, C, 4, 5. If 3 points are collinear, find the value of x. Therefore, in this case, two conditions are held. One condition is area of triangle ABC is 0. Other condition, slope of AB, slope of BC. Slope of AB, 1 minus y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. 2 upon 2 minus x, 4 upon 3. Yes, this is cancelled. 4 minus 2x equals to 3. 2x equals to 1. Therefore, x equals to 1 by 2 is the value. Now, next question. Next question is question number 10. Find the angle between the x-axis and the line joining x-axis and line joining 3, -1 and 4, -2. इन दोनों के बीच में बेटा एंगल निकालना है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्लोप ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस. एक्स एक्सिस का स्लोप 0 होगा. Therefore, m1 equals to 0. Slope of AB. Applying the formula of y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. M2 equals to minus 1. And angle between them, tan theta, M2 minus M1, 1 plus M1 M2. Yes, M2 minus 1, M1 0. 1 plus 0. This is minus 1 and 1. Therefore, this one is 1. Theta is 45 degree and 135 degree. Is it clear?